Waiting for a food delivery.
I ordered some food and I am waiting for it to arrive.
Hello, I am the delivery driver. Are you waiting for a food order?
Yes, I am. I ordered dinner about 30 minutes ago.
Okay, can you tell me your name, please?
My name is Jackson.
Thank you. Let me check the order details.
Sure, I ordered a chicken sandwich, fries, and a drink.
Yes, I can see that order here.
Great. Is the food ready to give me?
Yes, everything is ready.
That is good. I was starting to feel hungry.
I understand. Waiting for food can be difficult when you are hungry.
How long did it take you to get here?
It took about 15 minutes because the roads were busy.
I see. Was it difficult to find my address?
No, your address was easy to find.
That is good. I was worried you might have trouble.
No problem. I found the building without any trouble.
Can I check the order before I take it?
Of course. Please check the bag.
Everything looks good. The food is still warm.
Great. The food is packed and ready to give you.
What does packed mean?
It means the food is put into a bag or container and prepared for delivery.
I understand now. The food is packed and ready.
Exactly.
Do I need to pay anything when I receive the food?
No, your order has already been paid for online.
That is convenient. I do not need cash today.
Yes, you can just take your order.
Is the drink included with the meal?
Yes, the drink is included in your order.
Great. I ordered a cold drink.
Here it is. Please check that it is the drink you ordered.
Yes, it is correct. Thank you.
You are welcome. Please make sure you have everything.
Let me check one more time. Yes, everything is here.
Good, then your delivery is complete.
What does complete mean?
It means everything is finished or done.
I understand. The delivery is complete now.
Exactly.
Thank you for bringing my food.
You are very welcome. Enjoy your dinner.
I will. Have a safe trip home.
Thank you. Have a great evening, Jackson.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Sharing a meal with a friend.
Lily, it is nice to have a meal together today.
Yes, Jackson. I was looking forward to having lunch with you.
Me too. This restaurant looks comfortable and quiet.
Yes, it is a nice place to relax and talk.
Have you looked at the menu yet?
Yes, there are many good choices.
I am thinking about getting the chicken sandwich.
That sounds good. I might order the vegetable soup.
Do you want to have a drink with your meal?
Yes, I would like a glass of orange juice.
I will have some water.
How was your day today?
It was busy, but everything went well.
What kept you busy?
I had several things to do at work, so I stayed busy all morning.
I understand. My morning was busy too.
What did you do?
I finished some work and answered a few messages.
It sounds like we both had a busy morning.
Yes, but now we can relax and enjoy our meal.
The waiter is coming. I think we can order now.
Great, I am ready.
I will have the chicken sandwich and water.
I will order the vegetable soup and orange juice.
Good choices. I think the food will be delicious.
What does delicious mean?
It means food that tastes very good.
I understand now. I hope our food is delicious.
I think it will be.
Here comes our food.
Everything looks great.
Would you like to try some of my soup?
Sure, I would be happy to try it.
And I would like to try your sandwich.
Of course, we can share our food.
The sandwich is really good.
The soup is good too.
Yes, it tastes great.
I'm glad we decided to eat together today.
Me too. It is always nice to share a meal and talk.
What does share mean here?
It means to use or enjoy something together with another person.
I understand. We are sharing our food with each other.
Exactly.
This was a great meal.
Yes, I really enjoyed it.
Thank you for having lunch with me.
You are welcome. I enjoyed our time together too. Registering at a fitness center.
Good morning. I want to register at this fitness center.
Good morning. Of course. Are you looking for a monthly plan?
Yes, I want to exercise regularly.
That is great. We have 2 membership options.
What does membership mean?
It means you pay to use a service regularly.
I understand now. I think the monthly plan is better for me.
That is a good choice for a beginner.
How much is the monthly plan?
It is $30 per month.
What does the plan include?
It includes gym access and some fitness classes.
What classes do you have?
We have yoga and stretching classes.
What does stretching mean?
It means moving your body to make your muscles flexible.
I understand now. I would like to try a yoga class.
That is fine. The yoga class is included.
When does the class start?
It starts at 6 in the evening.
That time works well for me.
We also have many exercise machines.
What machines do you have?
We have bikes, treadmills, and weight machines.
What does treadmill mean?
It is a machine for walking or running indoors.
I understand now. I would like to use one.
You can use it during gym hours.
What time does the gym open?
It opens at 6 in the morning.
What time does it close?
It closes at 10 at night.
Those hours are good for me.
Would you like to register today?
Yes, please. What information do you need?
I need your name and phone number.
Sure. Here is my information.
Thank you. Please sign this form.
Okay, I have signed it.
Great. Here is your membership card.
Thank you. I am ready to start.
You are welcome. I hope you enjoy the fitness center. Renewing a library card.
Good morning. I need to renew my library card.
Good morning. Of course. May I see your library card?
Sure. Here it is.
Thank you. Let me check your account.
Okay. I think my card is no longer active.
Yes, your card has expired.
What does expired mean?
It means something is no longer valid because its time has ended.
I understand now. My library card is no longer active.
That is right. We can renew it for you today.
What do you need from me?
I need to check your name, address, and phone number.
Sure. My name and phone number are still the same.
Good. Is your home address still the same too?
Yes, my address has not changed.
Great. I can update your account now.
What do you need to update?
I just need to make sure all your information is correct.
Okay, everything looks correct to me.
Good. Your account is ready for renewal.
What does renewal mean?
It means making something active again for another period of time.
I understand now. You will make my library card active again.
Exactly. Your card can be renewed for another year.
That sounds good. Is there a fee for renewing it?
No, renewing your library card is free.
That is great. Do I need to sign anything?
No, you only need to confirm that your information is correct.
Everything is correct. Can you renew my card now?
Yes, I have renewed your card in the system.
Great. Can I use my card today?
Yes, your card is active again, so you can use it today.
That is good to know. Can I borrow books right now?
Yes, you can borrow books, magazines, and other library items.
Wonderful. Thank you for helping me renew my card.
You're welcome. Your library card is ready to use again.
I am glad I came today. I can start borrowing books again.
Great! I hope you find some books you enjoy.